possible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great Super Bowl weekend. Ready for a great week. Big week. Lots of news. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you today? Markets overnight were interesting. We gapped down huge. And I guess I shouldn't say huge, but it came all the way back. So our low on ES is 60.14. Our high 79. So that's 65 points in range, but it's almost all on the first candle. NQ dipped down to 418 up to 752, so 336 points in range. Again, mostly on that first candle. Kappa rising up. Looks like about 120 ticks in range. Ultra Bond. What about 20 ticks in range? So about 3/4 of a point. Gold at all-time highs, or hit all-time highs again. Broke all-time highs, whatever you want to say. What a range gold has. 21.34. It's 55 points in range. Huge range for gold. Crude oil also rising. Looks like it's about 125 ticks. Natural gas, kind of topsy-turvy. Bitcoin's still sitting under 100K at 97.5. That's where it sits standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this February Monday morning. News this morning, I don't think we have any, but we'll look. 11 o'clock, New York Fed inflation expectations. That's it. Tomorrow, though, we have a Powell testifying at 10 o'clock. And then, of course, next couple days after that, CPI and PPI loom. ATR is right around 4, so we're not moving a whole heck of a lot right now. Pushing on down. To that deluxe apartment in the sky. Everyone's still hungover from the Super Bowl parties. There's only 6 people here. Continues to try and push up. Good morning, Moxie. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Feel like this is gonna be one of those days we're gonna need to poke the price action with a stick to make sure it's still alive. Morning, Amelia. How are you today? Coming on down. I considered that purple candle. I guess I should have grabbed it for 5 points, but eh. Morning, Speed Racer. Your early birds, reminder to gore that like button for me. Let everyone know you're going to enjoy today's stream. Second wants to rise back up. Uh, so far, kind of boring. Today might be boring, the calm before the storm of pal testimony, CPI and PPI. In case y'all didn't see it, we are doing multiple Fidias giveaways. Winners picked on Valentine's Day. It's Discord only. Go in and enter those just by pressing a button. Giving away 6 accounts. This was a nice rise up. Good bounce off that EMA. I should have taken that. You're a quiet bunch this morning. Still stunned by an Eagles win. I told y'all. Oh, wow. Look at this nice rise. RT 416. Welcome. I'm not sure I recognize your name, so I'm going to assume you're new or that the early onset Alzheimer's has started to kick in. Well, nothing on, there's no news scheduled today, but at some point today, Trump is supposed to talk about steel tariffs. So that might set the market. Well, welcome, lurker. Glad to have you here. Always feel free to say hello. Little pullback there. Just slight so far. Got 750, Hassan. All right, I'm ready for it, RT. Wow, that'll be quite the drop. Let's see. It happens. We should all be getting some nice moves. You know, nice part of that. Although I do have an interview to conduct later on, so it'll probably happen while I'm doing that interview and can't trade. Took the short there. Wow, I must have a really big ATR on that. I need to fix that. Where's my stop? There it is. Let's see if we can get through the 9 for me. Morning, JC. How are you today? It's going for 5 points here, or 5.5 maybe. Ah, it's coming back on me. That might have been asking for too much. How was your weekend, JC? There we go. Target hit. 5.5 points. I'll take it. A little bit higher than the ATR. Good way to start the week. Pretty good. My Eagles won the Super Bowl, so I can't complain. I expected a much closer game. Yeah. That said, as an Eagles fan, I kind of enjoy not having to have a heart attack at any point in the game. Chris, that's a great question, and don't know. I would say yes on the evals and no on the direct to funded. But it's just a guess. Pops back up. A lot of times when they say that Tradify, when they say that they have a deal through half the month, they'll just extend that same deal. So I would actually vote more that that's going to happen than anything else. I missed that one. Doubted it. I thought it came down, popped back up the blue. I thought it was going to just curl right back over, and it didn't. That would have been a good win, but darn. Yeah, Tradeify is one of my top three, so They are already for their end of day. They are cheapest overall 50K account when you consider funded setup fees. Traderify. Morning, Crypticon. How was your weekend? Rising up here. Right now, I mean, uh, take profits on the more expensive side when you figure in funded setup fees. Now, take profits often, in the top five when they don't have the funded setup fees. But oh yeah, absolutely, best payout policy in futures. Taking a chance here. That wasn't really a signal for me, and oh, crap. And it looks like it might bite me, and I can't find my stop. Where's my stop? There it is. I really need to change that ATM. It's only a 3 point stop, so let's see what happens. The target the 956. That's about 4 point target, 3 point stop. Here comes. She'll be coming around the EMA when she comes. It depends. Sometimes there isn't, sometimes there is. It depends on which sale they're running. Right now it's 50% off and it has a funded setup fee. When there's no funded setup fee, then it's usually 40% off. Ah, it stopped out. Okay. Yeah, it's worth a shot. I'm guessing the 40% off and no funded setup fee sale will be coming back soon. Thanks, John. Yeah, as I was saying a little bit earlier, I definitely expected a closer game. Continuing to rise. They want to be profitable. That's a trouble. Nice push up here. Hmm. 776, Hassan. This continues to move up. Hassan called out. I figure 865 as a target. We'll see if we get there. CNQ of running up the charts. Oh, interesting. I'm on a 1 minute chart. How did I do that? It's normally on a 30-second chart. Wouldn't have taken that last loss if I'd been on the 30-second chart. I wouldn't have taken it that there. Interesting. Oh gosh, darn it. Our ATR is even worse on the 30-second chart. It's like 3.5. Hammond and Holland here around 778, 780. Morning, JJR. How are you today? Still rising. Nice, John. Excellent. We're short here off that purple. It's all whippy. Wanting 5 points here. Target hit. Ended up being 4 3/4. 2 for 3 on the morning. Small gains. Up 127.96. Thank you, Chris. Pitchers and catchers this week, John. Yeah, doesn't, the older we get, seems like time just moves faster and faster. John, do you do fantasy baseball at all? I was thinking, if RJ's into fantasy baseball, we might be able to find some others that have like a mock fantasy baseball league. Yeah, I'm gonna ask RJ when he comes. Oh wait, RJ probably won't be here today. We'll have to ask RJ on Wednesday during the 8 hour stream. And then if RJ's interested, then I'll look for other people. If anyone else listening is interested in fantasy baseball, let me know. I think we definitely want to do a fantasy football next year. Start doing some mott related activities would be kind of cool. Good mott related activity is goring that like button for me. 21 people here, only 5 likes. Basically, you draft your team. However many people were involved, draft from the real players, and then you get points based on what they do. And you can like trade players among teams if you want. If like someone has a lot of outfielders and you need pitching or opposite. Ooh, that was a bad fill on that short. How was your weekend, livestock? Morning, Robin. Yeah, correct, livestock. How was your weekend, Robin? My Eagles won the Super Bowl. How can I complain? That's what you eat your super breakfast cereal in. Cut that trade. So we're giving and taking. There were a few. There's a few that gave me a chuckle. Just doesn't it? I mean, for quite a while now, it just doesn't seem like the good commercials like back in the day. But there were a few. Yeah, and I mean, I try not to watch it before the bowl because in a year that the Eagles aren't in the Super Bowl, it's kind of my reason for watching. I mean, I will probably watch no matter what, but ooh, quick pop. There you go, Hassan. Ah, bad fill again. What the heck? Oh, let's go escape back all my profit from the morning. And I let myself get caught in the chop. I'm out. That's okay. Yeah, that was bad. Bad choice to take that blue there. No problem. About 7 minutes until the top of the hour. And that was the one to take, and I didn't take it. Boop. It's a ad for Yahoo, basically. And apparently, if you actually email the address in the commercial, you'll get a response of some sort. Morning, MR. Yahoo's kind of an afterthought nowadays, but I still use it as my like main news source. Hard to believe at one time Yahoo was the biggest thing on the internet, or one of the biggest, maybe after AOL. And there was this big fight of portals between Yahoo and Excite, and Excite died. Excite lost that battle way back in the day. Yeah, Excite.com. We're long. Yeah, it was probably a mistake too. Let's see. That, of course, was before Google. Now we got some. Now we're trucking. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Seems to be struggling at 783. Yep, there it goes. Told you should hold this on. I'm out there. 9 points. Hey, Ghost, how are you? Son's gonna hate me now. How late were you? Oh wait, have you been up all night or? Way back in the day, I stayed up for. I was awake for 68 straight hours one time. I was uh, I was part of a volunteer group called React, and we were working like security and other parking and a whole bunch of other things for a thing called Scenic River Days. and it was like a festival down by the river in Reading, Pennsylvania. So at night I was working, I was security. During the day I was doing like parking and at a gate, and like the people in charge kind of forgot I hadn't slept. And I didn't really say anything. But the final night, it was weird. I was just sitting behind a tent, you know, everything was tense, this whole thing, and looking into trees, and like I was actually hallucinating and seeing like monsters in the trees and stuff. Yeah, I went from like it was Friday at like 3 p.m. to Monday morning at 7 a.m. that I finally slept, or something like that. Can't remember exactly, but yeah, I that was something. And then I slept like more than 24 hours straight. I don't know how my bladder did that, but I did it. Of course, I mean, I was like 19 then, so body was definitely different. Short, keep losing my stop. Down to the nine. Ooh, there breaks through. No, struggling. There it goes again, trying. Nope. 9 EMA ended up being my bugaboo again. We're out. So slight loss. A little bit over the top of the hour. We're up $70 now. I use my candles. I looks like if I had just held my stop there, it's going to come back down. Though when a blue candle forms, it usually means a bad thing, so I get out. I should say when a blue candle forms and I'm in a short. purple. But half wick, half body, I don't like it. And yeah, gold's pulling back now. That would have been a beautiful purple candle in gold. Look at that. Silver, oh yeah, silver dropping hard. Bouncing on the 100 EMA. Thought about taking that short there. It didn't end up being a purple, but ooh, whoosh. I can't really call that a whoosh. That's not even a whoosh. That's 3 points. It's not a whoosh. I should be embarrassed for calling that a whoosh. It's not even a baby whoosh. Anyone else taking any trades this morning besides me and livestock and John DeFore? Some Ghostlandia. So I think I'm honestly trending toward when I get a new computer, going to the 3 minute chart, but on multiple. assets. You can see here, here's the 3-minute chart pretty much since we started our here. Beautiful candle right here on the 3-minute, beautiful right here on the 3-minute. Pull back, beautiful, and then this one's beautiful, and then this one's beautiful. All those have been valid setups that would have, been decent. This was obviously it could have been the whole move up, but could have easily gotten 10 points. This one would have easily gotten 10. This pullback here would have gotten 9, and then this pullback here would have gotten at least 10 so far. And this stick candle here that was blue could have gotten 15. So maybe start playing with that once we have more screen real estate. A UV. Well, hold on. Let me see if this is an entry. Like it. See if it goes. I got UV set on the 3 right now. Who? UV doesn't look real fun right now, but this is a short on the UV. It's gone a whole 2 ticks right now. Yeah, UV doesn't have a lot going on right now. Gold on the 3-minute. Oh, that's a 5-minute. Gold on the 3-minute. Yeah, I've been perfect. Look at that. That was an absolute screaming setup. So was this. So this could have rose up 7 points, and then that was a 4-point next candle. There was 4 points, and it's led to this down move. Yeah, I remember that. Oh wow, that's awesome, John. I haven't looked at RV in a long time. I have a chart down here for it, right here. Look at that. I'm curious here a minute. Oh wow, look at this. So using my reversal strategy, that was a perfect entry here on RV. Right there. And it's gone. Whoosh. Overnight. Couple of really good. Now you got me looking at RV. We'll check that out later. Morning, Ace. How was your weekend? Still falling. Not afraid of falling. Good morning, Platt. Good to see you. Any weekend that the Eagles win the Super Bowl is a good weekend. I truly expect it to be much more of a much more hard fought game and a few heart attacks, but there were no heart attacks. Not even any heart palpitations. We're about 11 minutes from the bell. At some point today, Trump is supposed to talk about steel tariffs. Ghosts can go through walls. Do they need real estate? Ace is short. We got a short ace. You gotta have an ace in the short. Hadn't considered that ghost. It's playing with ace right now. There it goes. Maybe, maybe, maybe. You still in, Ace? I took the loss on that long there. That was stupid. Ah, we are about 5 minutes till the bell. Wow, whoosh. Your broker doesn't tell you you're contractually obligated to take a trade? Don't be saying that, JC. We won't be able to get his head through the door. No, that two is 2 minute warning, JC. He always gives us a 2 minute warning. That's why he gets the graphic. So he rides back up here right before the bell. Less than 30 seconds. Not sure why I'm speaking in a southern accent. A bad one at that. Nope, it's all yours, Ace. You're contractually obligated for at least the next 5 years. That's me? No. Born and raised in Pennsylvania, Eastern Pennsylvania. Currently living in the middle of Illinois. Up and down. Yeah, I could do a Pennsylvania Dutch accent. Out in the night now once. Don't know about pop it up. Pennsylvania Dutch is a lazy German. It's called Pennsylvania Dutch because again it was lazy. It's Pennsylvania. It should be Pennsylvania Deutsch, but it's just a lazy German. Like I I mean, I have an uncle that he speaks English. Every word he says is in English, but he says it with such a Pennsylvania Dutch accent that I can't understand a word he says. Yeah, it's kind of like the Amish. Sounds like the way Amish can talk at times. I personally only speak one language. I failed 1 year of Spanish. And I passed 2 years of Latin, but I remember very little of it. Who? Who? The Amish? No, the Amish were originally from Germany. Hey, USC, you have a note? Down they come. Yeah, I'm German myself. Oxenrider. Good job, Ace. Now you can say it, JC. Hey, Mr. G. Good to see you back. How's your day going, Crypticon? Okay, RT, I will, but I don't think people want to hear me do that on stream. Oh. Ooh, that was a nice pop on cop. Or see what it looks like on the 3 minute. When they're giving me a setup there. Good job, Livestock. Livestock trades everything we don't. He's traded silver, he's traded copper. Nice to have some variety in the room. Remember, folks, no RJs today or tomorrow. But he'll be here for 8 hours on Wednesday when we do our special 8 hour live stream for CPI Day. I missed that blue candle. That was a good one, and I didn't take it. Dang it. Not sure what he's doing. He had something planned today and tomorrow. Are you stragglers? Reminder, goring that like button would be appreciated. Oh yeah, Dow, big move down. John filling in for RJ today on the Dow reports. AQ rising. I see NQ rising. And it is struggling at that 60.73. Can it get further down? Early prior to ART called that we were going to dump hard on ES. Let's see if that happens. I hesitated on that. That was a short signal for me and I didn't take it. So I've missed 2 in a row now. Actually, that one might have worked out that I missed it. Maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, it would have worked. What's the Russell doing? Russell also puked. They moved down on the Russell as well. Comes down to the 9, giving me a blue candle up off the 9. That blue candle went away. Good break that 60.73 down to 60.70 on ES. And Q pulling back. Everything's red right now. Up now we're getting a blue candle bounce off the 9. Let's see if it holds. Big candle here, 10 points. We'll take it. We're long. Come on, give me that momentum. Might be double top in there with that 781. Hit it twice now. See if it can break through. So far the answer is no. Now it's trying. Nope. Spits back down on me. Well, comes right back up. There it goes. There it goes. Uh, Not getting momentum though. Oh, ouch. They were out. Took a loss. I should have taken it off. Damn it. Bad trade management there. I had 8 points and I didn't take it. We don't have a big ATR right now, so yeah, I should have been happy with what I had there, and I didn't take the short back down. Tries another bounce here. And the bounce back up. Doesn't know which way it wants to go right now. Hey, Forex trader. Yes. Yes, it is. Somewhere I even have a link for it. I did. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I don't have it public because it's a mashup of two other indicators. Basically, it's their code mashed together, so I didn't ever feel right making it a public thing. There's the link for it. It's oh, there's a pop. There's 798. Almost got that 800 touch that Ghost was waiting for. And then the settings I use on it, someone asked me that the other day. I realized I forgot to tell people that the settings are 1 and 1, scale of engulfing and maximum candle size and ticks, or minimum candle size and ticks. You're very welcome. You trade live cattle to livestock? I mean, that might be a dumb question. Be careful, livestock. You might end up trading yourself to the slaughterhouse. There's 800, hits 803. Nice, John. Taking the short here, not going for a lot. And it looks like I might get nothing. Nope, that purple candle tricked me. Darn it. I'm not starting off the week well. All right, Chris. Now we come down. Of course we do. So the red candle too early. Good job, Crypticon. Glad to hear that. It's the 9, comes right back down. That pops right back up. Well, you're welcome, Crypt. Still coming down. Big pop, 12-point candle. I believe Ghost is the one that's a spirit. Rising up. Ah! Every time I say that, it pulls back. Yep. Damn. You're doing much better than Ox today. ATR is still only, well, it's about 12. Can we get 12? Shouldn't have moved my stop on that last one, or I'll still be in that last trade. Okay. Wow, really? That was a nice disaster of a day. I'm letting myself get chopped up here. Should not have taken that second blue. Or third, or even. Oh, come on. There we go. Chugging, chugging, chugging. Wow, you really aren't going to give me anything more than like 5 points, are you? Wow, really? You know, if I just left my stops in place instead of moving them, I would be up on these trades. This one would have worked. This is the only one that wouldn't have worked. This one right here, this one is working. Robin was here earlier. Amelia's lurking somewhere. Moxie said hello at the beginning of the stream. No Blondie today. See you, Chris. Have a great day. And that popped. That was a little blue candle I didn't trust, and look at that. Not my day today. Wow, nice recovery. Saying bye to Chris, or are you leaving? Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So 817 is our new high. Thought you said 865, Hassan. Well, I just go for 22,000. Oh, sorry about what? Oh, I've taken a beating on several trades now. But the last one was uh, 10 minutes ago, so that was a little bit of a late reaction. Top phone NQ up to 839, 840. Son, you should get that checked. There's 844. Uh, RT, now the price on ES is even higher. Everything's rising up together. The Dow's come back. Russell's happy. Do we get any news or just It's a slow grind up on the treasury. Ugh. Well, that would be a short for me right there off this 3 minute chart if it holds. I've been trapping a lot of mice with an electric trap and using Temptation's cat treats in it. Well, it's still going. There's 850, Hassan. Yes, yes, they are. Apparently, mice crack too. I put peanut butter in these traps. I put cheese in the traps, and I was barely catching anything. I started, but I noticed that if we had a bag of Temptations laying around that wasn't in like a Ziploc bag, the mice would tear it open and go through it. So I decided to try Temptations in the trap, and I've caught like 20 mice with Temptations. I actually looked that up on Google once, and they say they're not sure that cats actually like the taste of mice. They just like the thrill of the hunt. I mean, my cat never eats a mouse. Even if he kills it, he doesn't eat it. He just lets the body lay. Let the bodies hit the floor. I actually hear him singing that. Oh, come on. Oh, get through that 9. You know you wanna. ATR is back under 10. Wow, it's gonna pop right back and hit me, isn't it? Nice pull back on the Dow. Come on. Break that 9. Come on. Give me 13 points. I want 13. I don't know why I just placed the target there, but got to be kidding me. Target hit. Hey, I can actually win a trade today. 13 points on that one. 39 down to 26. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I do to a point. I mean, they're when they get close to a trigger point, I'm more careful. I think they are a good resource. I have them here on the hourly charts right now. They're very far away from both the support and resistance. Yeah, it's like on gold today. I don't see them. Where are they? Yeah, their trigger point. Yeah, so it blew through resistance 0. I don't see resistance 1 on it for some reason, but yeah, popping back up, trying to run toward that 865 that Hassan called at like over 2 hours ago. Watch that bounce on the 9 there. See what happens. It was an iffy one because of that 9 EMA. Trying to break the 9 again. It did. Get it hold below it though. So far that answer is no. Blue candle forming. Oh, gets beaten back down. Like a red candle stepchild. Oh, back up, stopped out. Nope, not stopped out yet. Oh, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Come on, give me a red candle. Purple candle's even better. No, not green. No, it's stopped out. You get it, Hassan. Apex 80% off flash sale. Half price resets 125. One time lifetime PA fees. Pops up. Ooh, big pop. Hey, Trade Cage. How you doing today? Got the 865 you wanted. Comes down. Still rising stars in a conversation. So I missed this purple candle, missed this blue candle. Yeah. Possible short here. Crotch tickle sounds like a venereal disease. Short. God, I can't believe I got the crotch tickles. Boom. Taking it off there. Not gonna take the chance of coming all the way back on me. That was 8 points. And I was right to get out there. Look at that. Look at that. Purple candle there. Kind of. Yeah, Apex did just go and sell 80% off, Greg. It's kind of hanging here. Come on. Hassan wants 885. You'll make him a very happy Hassan. 875. You settle for 875, Hassan? Good. Still trying to rise. Kind of struggling here though. Oh, 877 is the high so far. Pulls back down. That's a nice trade, Hassan. That's beautiful. Up here, let's try it again. There's 878. How's everybody doing? Red, green, somewhere in between. '81. 81, but spits back down right away after touching 81. It's like 81 was disgusting and hot. Beautiful, John. Glad to hear it. Oh, it looked like it was a spit down there, but nope. Well, maybe. I'll accept that as a possible continuation down. We'll put our stop at the top of that last green candle. Nope, it's going to come up and nearly. Maybe not. It's one of those trades that just keep playing with my emotions. He just used my entry as support. Now it breaks through. Break on through to the other side. Nope. Back up. Ooh, ouch. Still a red candle, I guess. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Love me forever. Stopped out. It's not my day. Back up to 881. Still couldn't get higher. Trying again. 83. 84 half. There you go. There you got it, Hassan. Oh, and now he whooshed down. So got Hassan's 885 and then pops down. Wow, big pop too. Apoptosis. Little pop there. Have a great day, USC. See you tomorrow. Copper still rising. Copper still rising. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. This is where my line was when we started the stream. That's a pretty huge move up. Right there with one of my entries for this. Really wasn't any other solid entries on the 3-minute chart. 5-minute chart, probably that same area. There's NQ. So it had that quick pull back and right back up. Oh, there's 894. We might get 900. So remember, tomorrow morning we have Powell testifying with Congress. If I remember right, I mean, it's Powell speaking, but usually Congress testimony doesn't cause any major moves, if I remember right, but always got to be vigilant. Well, I didn't take that purple because it was right on that EMA, and obviously it would have worked. Yeah, but I saw most of that price action did happen in like the first out, the time before the Super Bowl. And then the push down now. So it did not get 900. It got 894. It's pushed down 30 points. We could, or drop the rest of the day. Chop till we drop. Wait, what? Oh, okay. You don't mean like intraday drawdown. You mean like you're gonna be able to trail your trades. Okay, I got you. I read there. I thought you were like, oh, weird. Correct, Amelia. Yeah, I mean it does have brackets, but it's based on one number. You can't set up anything for like two different profit targets. At least that, unless I've missed something that they've added. Have a great one, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Took the long there off of that big blue candle. That was a 9 point candle. Yep. Rejects down. And my last stop of the day. Yep. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, we're better trading. Have yourselves a great rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.